so it's day 2 and baby's still sleeping. Let's go wake her up. So it's about 7 o'clock now and we had a late night. So babe's tired. She's still sleeping. Babe, time to get up. You ready? Okay. I'm doing Vlogmas. I have a camera.
Good morning, Eagles.
They're saying good morning. How did you
Tired.
Okay, I was gonna ask how did you sleep?
I'm tired.
Okay, so it's actually 7, so we're kind of late.
No, we're not.
We're not okay. Sweet.
Today is RSP day. Well, the weekend. Have to be there by 9:30 to head over for 11:30. So today I'm taking you with me, well, on this get ready with me. Okay. It's so hard to drink a bottle of water. That wasn't even a full bottle. Okay, let's go. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for being a part of the Eagle family. They appreciate you guys. Now I can go brush my teeth. Hold on, let me just do this. There's some music. Guys, so normally I don't wash my face at the sink in the morning with my skincare products. I keep them in the shower, so once I brush my teeth I jump in the shower and then I just do my skincare in there. Well, the washing aspect of it, exfoliating aspect of it, and then when I get out I do everything else. Moisturizer, serum, vitamin C serum, roller, etc. But now I'm going to jump in my prior closet real quick. So, babe, see you in a few.
I'm joining you.
Okay. because I don't want my hair to mess up anything that I'm putting on. So I get dressed first. So let me turn on this. These outfits, they do not do me justice, just so you know. But this is my uniform. So it's 61 degrees where I'm going. Hopefully it gets a little bit, just a little bit hotter. Not too hot, because it's gonna be long sleeve all day. So what are your plans for the day? Do we have any YouTubers watching? Are you doing Vlogmas too? What's the plans? So I'm not wearing this today. It's not that cold. And I'll put on this in a little bit. There is a lot to deal with. It's a lot. I gotta bring it all the way down. So yeah. What time is it? Oh, I have a few minutes to leave out, so I should probably be real quick with this because I don't have much time. I need to get some gel. What gel do you use? I've been using Eco Styler. I've seen quite a few YouTubers using Aussie, but I don't know how that works. Never used it, but I'm out of gel, so I need to get some gel. This one is a pink Eco. It doesn't give me as much hold. Doesn't last. Now with the PC, it's not gonna last anytime, but I'll be gentle. It's a bit dark in here. I'm thinking about changing these lights to brighter ones. My hair has grown so much, guys. It shrinks when I add water, so right now you're not really seeing the true length of it because it shrinks like crazy. But it's been growing so much. So much. I'm gonna do a wash day routine with you guys. Day-to-day care of my hair. For those of you who would like to see how I do that, you can let me know and I'll get that video done. Okay, time is against me. Let me wrap this up. So I can bun it or I can. Let me wrap it up. Face looks dry.
A few moments later.
Guys, I didn't get to record today. I was at the training all day. All day. So, tomorrow is another day. I am so sorry I didn't get to do much today, but you know, with the army, and God said, how sweet. You know, with the army, I can't be walking and doing a whole lot with my phone, so that was the issue today. But it's been a long day, I'm so tired. So